My name is Eloise Williams and I write books for young people, and I am absolutely delighted to be the first Children's Laureate for Wales. The reason I'm so happy is I love working with young people, I love books, I love words, I love reading. I truly believe that stories have the power to change people's lives. In fact, I know they do because they changed mine. So, while I'm Children's Laureate for Wales for the next 2 years, what I'd like to do is talk to as many of you as humanly possible about stories and reading and words and amazing adventures and magical lands. And I'd also like to get you writing. I'd like you to be the authors of today and tomorrow, and I'd like to hear your thoughts and your stories in your own voices, using your own words, because I believe that the young people of Wales have an awful lot to say and I'd really like to hear it. So I'm really hoping that I'll get to meet you soon, and in the meantime, get reading, get writing, get preparing, because we're ready to get cracking.